Self-improvement promises a lot. Better decisions, more confidence, a better life. It looks simple from the outside. All you have to do is change your habits and you'll change your life. Yet most people who start never see the results they want. They begin motivated. They save advice, learn new ideas, and build plans. For a while, it feels like momentum, but eventually that energy fades and they're back where they started. What makes this frustrating is that effort is being made. It's not like you're being lazy and not doing anything. Your time is being spent, your energy is being invested, but the results don't match the effort. Over time, this creates a strange gap. You know what you should do, but you don't consistently do it. You feel capable in theory, but stuck in practice. That gap is where you get stuck and quit. The mistake most people make when it comes to self-improvement is subtle. They turn self-improvement into preparation instead of practice. This gives them the illusion of progress without the risk of failure. They keep searching for the next idea, the better system, and the perfect mindset, believing that once they find it, actions will be easier. But the search never comes to an end. Self-improvement becomes something they consume, rather than something they commit to. So the next time you watch any of the self-improvement videos on this channel, keep in mind, real change doesn't start when you feel ready or know everything. It starts when you repeat small, uncomfortable actions without certainty. Self-improvement isn't about knowing more so that you can be ready. It's about becoming someone who acts, even when they're not fully prepared.